Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 SysMain service high disk usage. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Copy command text from description and paste it. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set, click and expand services. Click SysMain, open start, change value data to 4. Close and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.